So we were called out to see if there's a slab leak on this property. The previous plumber for the rental agent had capped off the ice maker line. His cap leaks, so the meter spins. So we're going to remove it, rehook up a new angle stop for the ice maker, and go back to monitoring the meter. We also are going to probably have to turn off some of the toilet angle stops just because we can hear them hissing. So trying to isolate as much as possible. For some reason the previous plumber thought this shark bite would seal the cut like that. But it will not. So we've tested everything now. We're going to head out. The house still is losing pressure after all the repairs. There's definitely a slab leak. We're going to make a recommendation to repipe the house due to the age of the CPVC and how little of a leak that is. It will be very hard to find. So see what happens. Y'all have a good night.